Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. First of all, go into settings. After that, you need to choose display section over here and then tap on brightness level. In here, you need to click on this gray switcher next to automatic brightness, and after that, as you can see, auto brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!